That anxiety might be of red color, some hot temperature or something like that. Cover that complete anxiety with the purple water, with a soothing temperature. Love that feeling. Are you feeling that particular violet water there at a part of anxiety? Cover each and every cell of your body part with this. The soothing temperature is actually helping you out to relax. Anxiety is being washed away. You are feeling that purple water? The complete area is now purple. Or still you need the water? Stand some more time without a shower. Let your full body get covered with the purple water, which is your most favorite color, which is your most favorite temperature. It's actually helping you to relax. It is actually helping you relax. It is making your mind free from all the stress. Your body cells are getting relaxed. There is no stiffness in your body. You're feeling perfectly relaxed. Now, this water is flowing down on your knees. It has already crossed your abdomen. It has already crossed your pelvic region. It is flowing down your knees. Each and every body cell of yours is getting converted into a violet shade, a happy state of life. Each and every body cell of your knees are getting perfectly happy. There is no pain in your knees. Your all joints are perfectly fine. They are working perfectly fine. There is no pain. There is no rigidness in the joints. Increase the flow of the water. Let it flow across the body. All the anxiety or whatever things were there in the body is flowing down and it's going in the drainage. Your complete body is now in the purple shade with the proper temperature which you wanted always. You are feeling that happiness?
Yeah.
Continue. You take some more time to bath in that particular violet water. Feel it. Now your body doesn't have any anxiety. Complete body parts are relaxed. There is no stiffness in your joints. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your fingers, your elbows are completely relaxed. Your brain is completely calm and quiet. Your subconscious mind is calm and quiet. Your abdomen is perfectly fine. You are not having any movements in your abdomen. You are feeling happy. Your joints, knees are perfectly relaxed. You are not feeling any rigidness in the knees. Your toes are so firm that you are able to take up any challenges. There is no anxiety. No matter what comes in front of you, you are ready to face it. Your feet are firm, completely stable. Feeling that happiness?
Yeah.
10. Continue. You are feeling that happiness. 10, 9, 8, 7. You are feeling the happiness. The water is continuously flowing on you. 6, 5, 4, 3. You are feeling the happiness. Your each and every cell is relaxed. 2, 1. You are completely happy. Your each and every body cell is relaxed. There is no anxiety. You are ready to take up any challenges. You are able to face up any circumstances because your body is completely free. There is no rigidness in the body in any part of the cell. Now, 5. Feel the happiness. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly. Open your eyes very slowly. You are completely in and hearty, there is no anxiety. Very slowly open your eyes. Tell me what is your visit.
Previously, when I thought of something which gave me anxiety, that time heart was somewhat pounding. Heartbeats very increased and I was breathing shallow. After doing this exercise, heart is very calm, quiet, beats are very stable, and each and every cell, each and every muscle is relaxed.
See, what you have to do is, I'll